Welcome back everyone to another Tech for Gamers tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable cinematic visual theme on the Subnautica game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Subnautica on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to enable cinematic visual effects, then simply go ahead and click on Options. Then within the Options page, click on Graphics, and now within Graphics, you will see the color grading option. By default, this is set to off, but you can change this and set it to neutral or the filmic option, which stands for cinematic. After you have chosen your desired option, you can just go back and continue to play your game with your chosen settings. If you wish to change this at any point of time in the future, you can once again go back to graphic options, and from the color grading menu, you can choose a neutral or a disabled color grading option. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up cinematic color grading on the Subnautica game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.